Alright, so we're going for a yellow belt today. We got this Masterlock 140 at the hardware store. Here's the key. Hard to do this through the camera. Works. What are we looking at? 4. I'll pick it with this guy and this guy. So let's get to it. Forgive me if you hear my kids in the background. They're doing their homework while I try to pick this lock. You can talk in, it's okay.
May I have a snack?
Yes, you may.
I'm gonna grab one from the Easter basket.
Got it. Got that. Ooh, looks like I broke it. Oh, there we go. One more time.